Hola, hermanos! Welcome. Okay, this is a 5-minute quesadilla. It's low in fat, it's no oil, it's made with whole plant foods, and it's banging.
Right. And it's creamy. Right, first step, pan on high heat. I have half a red onion. I have taken the skin off. Take a sharp knife and come at it at an angle so you have long strips.
Okay, so what I've done is I've got a wide bottom pan and we've got it in a high heat. Cooking with no oil, the first thing you want is a non-stick pan, wide bottom, and you want it nice and hot. So like literally this is really, really hot now.
Because what oil does is oil will enable an even distribution of heat. So without oil, so what you got to do is have a really hot pan to recreate that same effect.
Now would you slice up that there?
One spring onion, chop it at an angle so that you get a nice little bit of more surface area with which to caramelize.
Woo! So the thing when you're cooking with no oil is that things might start catching to the bottom of the pan depending on your degree of non-stickness. And if it does, we're going to simply use a technique called deglazing, which is going to help take away any caramelization off the bottom and incorporate it.
Okay, time to add some spices. We have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. That's going to add texture and a little bit of bite. We've 1 teaspoon of
ground cumin.
We've
a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Boom!
In they go.
So they're all going to be the undertones. The cinnamon is whoa! The cinnamon is a nice.
Chili.
Oh, we're going to pop in a bit of chili too.
So chili, I'm going to go in half a chili.
The cinnamon gives a nice kind of nod to mole, being the traditional kind of Mexican.
One of the traditional Mexican deep mother sauces. Obviously, mole is a lot more complex and takes days to develop. We are doing it in 5 minutes. Okay, right. So that's starting to brown. Onions need a tiny little bit longer.
We are going.
Okay, so in Mexico, Dave was once there. He managed to find a bottle of tamari on sale in an Asian shop.
So technically, this is Mexican food. No, this is just going to give. This is whole food, plant-based. This is going to give a depth of flavor, a sense of umami. So we'll add that to it and quickly incorporate it.
While Dave is adding that to the pan, I have 10 cherry tomatoes, which I am quartering and just adding them straight into the pan. These are going to bring moisture, acidity, and a little bit of sweetness.
So see the way, from adding the tamari, I can quickly kind of deglaze the pan. I like to use a silicone spatula. It just means that I can incorporate anything better. So there's a little bit of moisture going to come from the cherry tomatoes. While Stephen's doing that, we've got 1 tin of black beans. We've drained and rinsed them. So it ends up being 240 grams net weight. Obviously use kidney beans if you can't find black beans.
Or butter beans or cannellini beans, whatever you have.
Whatever kind of beans. They all serve the purpose. They're going to be the body of the dish. Even use the back of your spatula or wooden spoon and try to kind of mash them a little bit.
You'll end up with a little bit like...
a refried bean kind of texture.
And if there is any extra sauce like that, just try to scoop it in there.
So beautiful.
Okay.
So that's
juice of half a lime. That's going to add a little bit of vibrancy, a little bit of acidity that's going to help cut through.
And while that's been added, you can just kind of do a bit of deglazing again and scrape up any of the bottom.
A little bit of fresh coriander or cilantro into the pan. We're going to turn that off the heat and just set it aside.
So that is our filling, our main filling done. I'm going to add it into a bowl and just step it aside. What I'm going to do now is simply clean our pan so that we're starting when we're actually cooking our quesadillas, our pan is nice and clean.
Well, Dave is doing that. Obviously, you might say 5 minutes. Whoa, that's hot. Okay, obviously you might say, oh, there's 2 of them. That's very easy to do it in 5 minutes. The whole purpose of this is just to show that whole food plant-based cooking that's healthy can be cheap and quick. So it might take you 10 minutes, even 15, but it's still a quick, really tasty, healthy dinner. So in our blender, we have 100 grams of cashew nuts, which we have soaked in boiling water for 10 minutes, drained and rinsed. In they go. In on top of that, I have 80 ml of oat milk or milk of choice, non-dairy milk of choice. I have half a teaspoon of garlic granules or garlic powder, and I have about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Nice, generous pinch of salt. Lid on, and let's blend till smooth.
Yeah, so this is going to be like our liquid cheese. It's really, really tasty. Okay, boom. There we go. Blend until really nice and smooth and delicious consistency.
Okay, so we clean our non-stick pan. We have a whole wheat tortilla. Obviously, if you don't want to use whole wheat, use a proper corn tortilla.
But whole wheat's just going to be higher in fiber. So we've got a pan on nice and hot.
About medium heat. We've taken our creamed or cashew cheese.
And the benefit of this over using like a vegan cheese is that the fat is coming from whole food source. So it's obviously coming from nuts. Okay, next step, we're gonna take our filling. We're gonna add a decent tablespoon or 2 of our filling. Make sure and just do it over one side of your dish.
Next step, just to kind of go with the kind of starchy carbohydrate, we're gonna go in with a little bit of avocado. Obviously avocado is higher in fat, but it's a whole food source of fat. and it's largely polyunsaturated fat. A little bit of cilantro if you want that on top. I think it goes great. Little pinch of salt. And last and final step is a little bit of chili.
Okay, so all that's left to do is to fold it over. As soon as it starts to smell and you can actually smell that it's toasting, turn it over on top of itself.
And try to compress it, because you want, like a quesadilla, obviously queso meaning Spanish for cheese, so normally that's what sticks it and holds it together. Put it down on a board, take a knife, give it a decisive blow, chop it in half, and share with your brother, twin, or friend of choice. Look at that, for beautiful though. It smells incredible.
Low in
delicious.
fat, whole food, plant-based. It really is fantastic. If you want to learn more about it, we've got an online Happy Heart course which teaches you how to cook without oil.
Eso es muy sabroso. Delicioso, impresionante.
We've also got a new cookbook out. It's just up for pre-order. It's amazing. It's got 15 years experience. It's more than a cookbook. It teaches you how to cook. It's about the frameworks and the principles. It's like learning the grammar of a language. So we're so proud of it. It's just up for pre-orders.
Link down below, please check it out.
It's our best work ever. So yeah, thanks for watching and sending loads of love.
Cheers. Ciao.